Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily enable GIFs on Microsoft Teams. So all you have to do is head over to Microsoft Teams app, then just make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just click on this three dot icon that will redirect you to settings. Then next is just click on privacy and make sure that you have this optional connected experiences on. Then next is just select a specific chat, then click on this emoji like icon and the window will pop up that says the GIF experience is powered by Giphy. By using GIFs, you agree to the privacy policy and terms of service. All you have to do is click on accept. And from there, you should be able to see and send gifts on chats. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!